successful completion of a controlled experiment demonstrating that focused human awareness and intent can measurably modulate ambient electromagnetic noise, I propose a new theoretical framework, intent as a causal vector in urge-responsive physics. This theory asserts that consciousness, specifically sustained awareness entangled with deliberate intent, acts as a directional force capable of influencing physical systems, even those traditionally considered inert or stochastic. These experiment revealed statistically significant deviations in spectral data during internal focus sessions. Deviations that cannot be attributed to environmental interference, mechanical artifacts, or random fluctuation. These results prove the existence of a quantifiable constant C. GM represents the modulation coefficient of awareness within a responsive field. The theory builds on the premise that systems with low inertia, such as sound waves, light fields, and ambient electromagnetic noise, are particularly susceptible to modulation through non-local entanglement. Intent in this framework is not merely psychological but structural, a vector that shapes the probability landscape of physical optical outcomes. Observation is passive. It is generative awareness convergence are particularly susceptible to modulation through non-local entanglement. Intent. Intent in this framework is not merely psychological but structural, a vector that shapes the probability landscape of physical outcomes. Observation is not passive. It is generative awareness collapses potential into form, and when paired with intent, it can activate, amplify, or redirect latent field conditions. This has profound implications for retrocausality, symbolic resonance, and the architecture of agency itself. By formalizing phase and integrating it into equations that describe force, awareness, and entanglement, this theory offers a new lens through which to understand causality, not as a linear chain causality, needs responsive to consciousness. It invites a scientific inquiry, one that includes the observer not as a contaminant inquiry, but as a participant. The success of the experiment marks the emergence of a new genre